Sabe, my name is Alif Sahide, and I'm elected to be your co-host of the IASC 21st Biennial Conference to be held in Makassar, Sulawesi, Indonesia in June 2027.
Aloha everyone, my name is Micah Fisher and I am an assistant professor at the Matsunaga Institute for Peace and Conflict Resolution at the University of Hawaii at Manoa and a member of the Forest and Society Research Group.
I am Yanti Kusumanto and I'm honored to organize this conference for you together with the Indonesian organizing team.
In this conference, we want to continue explore the key ideas from the past biennial conferences while grounding the conversation in the place where we meet. Building on the previous theme, Regenerating the Commons, we will talk about issues around climate change, social justice, and sustainability.
After 20 years of gathering across different continents, we are excited to return to Indonesia. Sulawesi, in particular, offers a vital bridge historically, socially, and ecologically. It connects Asia, the Pacific, and the world. Home to complex, historic commons institutions at the heart of an extensive archipelago, it is the perfect backdrop for our work.
More broadly, we will center discussions around the unexpected forms of collective action and commoning emergent in our lives, communities, and the environment. This includes geographic and ecological dimensions around the forest, coastal, and marine, as well as emergent commons, discussions of urban, creative, knowledge, technological, health, and other dimensions of commoning and the commons.
Hello, I'm Nur Hadi Sirimorok, Program Chair of the 21st IASC Biennial Conference. Beyond these sessions, you can experience Commons in action, interact with the commoners on the ground through the following site visits. Ramang-Ramang site, where communities stand firm against mining expansion. Kajang Sub-District, where the indigenous community was the first in Indonesia to obtain official forest rights, and an art space and community library that provide creative hubs for linking arts, research, and dialogue. Lastly, Lai Island, where local resistance against reclamation and uneven development can be observed. We hope you will join us and share your ideas and views and be part of the conversation for shaping our collective future. Sampai jumpa di Makassar.